What's up guys, welcome back to Moby channel. Apple just released its much anticipated iOS 18 update on June 10th. This is good news for anyone who owns an Apple device. Among them, the most anticipated features are Apple Intelligence, Siri upgrades, app icon control, etc. Which feature are you most concerned about? Please leave a message in the comment area and we can discuss it together. But not everyone can download it easily because it requires a manual application. So how can you download and install iOS 18 beta without developer account as soon as possible? Please keep watching today's video. You will find the answer here. If we take the wrong approach to upgrading the iOS system, it may cause complete data loss on the device, or cause an even more serious situation that damages your device. So please pay attention to these 4 points. Firstly, fully charge your device, or connect the USB to charge the phone during the entire upgrade process. This is to avoid damaging your phone by draining the battery during the upgrade process. Secondly, delete old iOS profiles on your phone, open Settings, click General. Scroll down to choose VPN and Management and click it. If any other iOS-related profiles exist here, go ahead and delete them. Thirdly, ensure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Finally, to protect data safety, please remember to back up your data on iCloud or iTunes. Click Settings, then tap on your Apple ID, click iCloud, and scroll down to open your iCloud backup. Here are 4 important safety steps in iOS 18 update process. So, let's move on to start downloading iOS 18 beta. Firstly, open your browser, go to developer.apple.com, click on the menu in the upper left corner, click Account, then sign in with your Apple ID. Here you can see you have entered the Apple Developer Agreement page. Scroll down to confirm the items. Continue, click Submit. Then you need to go to App Store to download Apple Developer. After sign up done, you don't have to do any further thing. Just go to Settings, click General, then click Software Update. You can see iOS beta version is ready for you to update. If you don't see iOS 18 beta listed here, restart your phone and update iOS again in Settings. If you failed to download iOS 18 by Method 1, then keep watching Method 2 to try. This way is using a public beta account, so you can find it in this website, beta.apple.com. Once you're on this Apple Beta software program page, you can see various iOS system lists here. All you need to do is sign up your account if you already have an account. Just go ahead like me, okay? We are on the guide page now, which can help you understand the features fully, and you can also download iOS 18 of iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, etc. Now we click iOS, scroll down to get started, tap on Enroll your iOS device. Then click Open Beta Updates. Once you click it, the page will be changed to the Beta Updates option on Settings. iOS 18 Beta will show here. If you are successful in upgrading your phone to iOS 18 beta, congratulations. But as we all know, iOS system upgrades are prone to many bugs. So if you encounter freezes or errors during the upgrade process, resulting in a successful upgrade, or if your phone has many bugs after the upgrade, causing you to want to downgrade iOS, etc., please download AnyFix as a guarantee. AnyFix is a professional iOS system recovery tool. If you want to update iOS 18 without the complex methods, AnyFix can help you out the situation. Besides, if you have met issues during the upgrading process like iPhone 1 update, iPhone stuck on the update screen, iPhone being unable to verify update iOS, etc., AnyFix can also be your upgrade process guarantee. You can download AnyFix for free in the video description. It's worth a try. Of course, you can also search for more information about AnyFix in the Amobi channel to learn more about how to use it. I hope you can learn something from today's video and successfully upgrade. If you have any questions, please leave your comments. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.